Welcome back to the Henna Guys Frequently Asked Questions. My name is Breanna, and today we're going to be talking about how much henna costs. From the first time you do it to maintaining your color, let's chat about it. For a pack of henna from the Henna Guys, pricing right now starts at about $14, but check the Henna Guys website for the current pricing for the specific hair color that you want. If it is your first time dyeing with henna, depending on your hair length, you may need anywhere from 1 to 2 or even 3 packs if your hair is really long of henna. Then for touch-ups and maintenance, you can decide if you just want to do your roots and bring the color through your hair a little bit, or if you want to fully dye everything again, which will darken it over time. If you just henna your roots, 1 pack of henna can last anywhere between 2 and 4 applications. My hair, I can get 2 root applications out of that, and I do my roots every 2-ish months, so 1 pack of henna will last me about 4 to 5 months. That's it for this frequently asked questions. Stay tuned for more from the Henna Guys.